Hey everyone, welcome to the Code Tab Management. In the previous lecture, we have learned about a special variety of trees, which is the binary trees. We saw some key characteristics of a binary tree, and that makes it different from the other trees. So today we will see more about these binary trees and different types of binary trees. So earlier we learned about trees and how it offers a nonlinear representations of data. So most of the data structures uh, uh, are uh, mainly linearly. Only trees, graphs, these are the non-linear. Okay, so we will discuss more about this binary trees. So I am going to draw a tree like CE of any organization. Like in the root, there will be CEO. Under this, there will be CTO or COO or unit heads. These are there. These persons are there. Under CTO, employee one, employee two. In this way, many employees. Okay. Under this, there will be some employee three. Under this, there will be some employee four. Okay. So under this, there maybe interns. Okay. Clear this picture? Okay. So another good example can be our file manager of desktops. There is a C drive. It contains the folders of Windows, program files, etc., and which further contains some folders, another some files. Okay. So these can be represented using trees. Okay. So these are the examples of binary trees or trees, you can say. So I will now demonstrate the types of binary trees. The first one will be full or strict. Full or strict BT means binary tree. Okay. So what is this full or strict binary tree? So binary trees, as we said earlier, have a degree of 2 or less than 2. Okay, so this is okay. So, but a strict binary tree is a binary tree having all of its nodes with degree 2 or 0. Okay, so for full, there will be 0 or 2, means for each node there will be two child node or no child node. Okay, like this. This can be a full or strict binary tree. So the node which will have no any child, so it will become the leaf node, and here these are the leaf nodes. Okay, leaf node, and this is also leaf node. So this is the condition for the full or strict binary tree. Okay, now the second one can be the perfect binary tree. Perfect BT or perfect binary tree. So a perfect binary tree has all its internal nodes with degree strictly 2. Means for each node there will be 2 child nodes. Okay, like this. This 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this can be 6, or this can be 7. This is the perfect binary tree. So a perfect binary tree, as the name suggests, appears exactly perfect. Okay, so this is the example. Okay, so the next one can be the complete binary tree. complete BT, complete binary tree. So a complete binary tree has all its levels completely filled except possibly the last level. Clear? So if the last level is not completely filled, then the last level's keys must be all left aligned, and it must have uh, sounded tough to figure out, but I will draw the picture like this one. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. Okay, or means, see, this example is totally like the perfect binary tree. Okay, this example means this one example is completely like the perfect binary tree. Okay, so means, so all perfect binary trees will be complete binary tree. Means perfect binary tree is the subset of the complete binary tree. Okay, but the vice versa is not acceptable. But now I will give one example like this one, then 2, then this is 3, then this is 4, then this is 5, then this is 6. It is also a complete binary tree, but not perfect binary tree. Example 2, this is a complete binary tree. So if it will not complete for the last level, then it will be left aligned. See, it is the left aligned. So it is the condition for the complete binary tree. Okay. The another example can be this one, then this one, then this one, then this, then this. It is also a complete binary tree. Okay. So the next example is degenerate tree. Okay. So the degenerate trees are binary trees where every parent node has just one child. So this will be the degenerate tree. Every parent will have the one child only, like this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. Okay. Anyone can be. So it is the easiest binary tree. Okay, like 5 skew trees. Okay, so skew trees are binary trees where every parent node has just a single child, and that child should be strict to the left or the right for all the parents. Okay, means this will be the subset of the degenerate trees. Okay, you can say skew trees are the subset of degenerate trees. Means for the degenerate trees, uh, there can be the trees, one can be in the left aligned, another will can be right aligned, but for the skew trees it will be strictly left aligned or right aligned. Okay, so which are the left aligned will be called as the left skew trees, and which will be right aligned will be called the right skew trees. Okay, so the example can be like this, or this will be skew trees. So these are all the versions of these binary trees, so which we had discussed. So you really don't have to memorize them all. Rather, just prepare some notes for now and keep them for your uh, exam purpose or for your knowledge purpose. So that's for all today. We will meet for the next session. Goodbye. Do like, share, and subscribe, and support. Thank you. Bye.